Good morning, Platinum. The election for the English Club is starting. Here's the form for those who want to join.
They read the form, then decided to join. They immediately go to the gymnasium to join the election, met some collegians, then passed the forms. The election started, nominating each other.
I respectfully nominate Aaron as president. Respectfully nominate Cha as
Good morning, everyone. I am the new class advisor of English Club 2025-2026, and I'm here to present you all the new elected officers with their duties as an officers. The officers are now taking an oath of their duty as officer.
Of the English Club 2025-2026, do hereby and solemnly promise and swear that I will consistently and faithfully discharge to the best of my abilities the duties and responsibilities as an officer. I promise to be actively participate and support all club activities and programs, and that finally I shall impose this obligation upon myself, voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.